Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see stocks for tomorrow. But before that, let's see how our stocks are performed today. First stock is Bajaj Finserv. Bajaj Finserv is at our watch list for almost a week. It closed 1.60% below previous day close. As I mentioned in previous video that it is at an important range, and today that range has been broken. 11,000 has been broken and it has fell another 100 points from there. It opened at pivot and gave a slight move upwards, but it fell back. If you see at 10 o'clock candle, it was a good entry there. It broke pivot and as well as current day's low, and it rallied till S1. And at the end of evening session, it broke S2. Watch the full video to know whether to have Bajaj Finserv in our watch list for next trading day. Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance closed 2% below previous day close. Surprisingly, Bajaj Finance move was really good than Bajaj Finserv. It opened at pivot and it slightly went up and it got reversed. 10-5 candle was a good entry here. It broke pivot as well as current day's low, and it broke S2 in afternoon session itself, and again it went up. It got resisted in previous day's low and it got reversed. It was a good day for intraday trading. HDFC Life Insurance. HDFC Life closed 1.62% above previous day close. Its first candle it showed a bullish sign. It took a good support at previous day's low and straight away it broke pivot and it touched R1. It had a good rally. Good call signal was generated. IndiaMart. IndiaMart closed 2.58% below previous day close. The first candle formed at pivot and second candle resisted at R1. We didn't have any confirmation there. Then 10.5 and 10.10 candle, it showed a good put signal. It got reversed and came out of pivot. It rallied heavily. It broke previous day's low S1 and at the end of the day it broke S2 too. Kotak Mahindra. Kotak Bank closed 1.14% above previous day close. The first candle it opened at S1 and straight away it broke pivot. Call signal generated here, and at the second candle it broke R1 and previous day's high. It had a good movement. And again it came and it took support at R1, and that support helped it to reach R3. Call signal was generated. Mahindra & Mahindra. Mahindra closed 1.67% below previous day close. It opened at pivot, it tested previous day's high, then it got reversed, it came to S1, again it went to pivot, then S1. It was a sideways day. No proper entry was generated here. Polycab closed 0.84% below previous day's close. It had a bit volatile day. It broke pivot at first candle and it got reversed. It came to S1 and it ended flat. I didn't find any proper entry here. No signal was generated in Polycab. Titan closed 0.26% above previous day's close. Actually, it had a huge movement. It just ended flat, but the movement was not like that. First candle, it showed a bearish move, but it didn't break pivot. Titan outperformed most of Indian stocks because in 5-minute time frame, our index and all other major stocks started to fall from 10 am. But here the reversal was upside. At 10:35 candle, it showed a good signal. It went till R1 and in fact during afternoon session, it broke R1. Now we will get into stock picks for tomorrow. We will be having some of the stocks which we had today, and the newbies will be Delta Corp, UPL, TCS and LTI. Delta Corp. Delta Corp closed 8% below previous day close. It tested EMA and it was pulled back, and it engulfed last 8 trading days low. According to chart and technical analysis, Delta Corp is bearish. We can expect a good move once it broke 163 level. We can expect a good move from here. UPL. UPL closed 1.86% below previous day close. It broke yesterday's low in morning session itself. It is showing a bearish sign in day chart. It can test 607 level. Once that 607 is broken, we can expect some good move in UPL too. TCS. Tata Consultancy closed 0.71% below previous day close. As Nifty IT shows a bearish sign, we can have a heavyweight stock like TCS. Chart wise, TCS is bearish. It looks good. If today's low is broken with 3232, we can short till 3152, 3120. And the only major support is at 3000. LTI. LTI closed 2.73% below previous day's close. The only reason we chose LTI and TCS are because Nifty IT is weak. If today's low is broken with 3900, then we can short till 3700. 3700 is a good support. In fact, 3700 acts as a good support because it is monthly S1. India Mart. As we mentioned earlier, India Mart hit our final target, and now the fall will be even more. This 3800 is last 22 months low, and it looks like we can short even more. Titan. As Titan closed flat, if today's and yesterday's low is broken, we can short till 1900. If 1900 level is also broken, we can short till 1854 and 1800. Polycab. As Polycab closed 1% down by engulfing yesterday's low, it is at good level. If today's low is broken, then we can expect range like 2120. If 2120 is also broken, then we can expect another 100 points fall, which will be 2030. Bajaj Finance. As Bajaj Finance closed 2% below previous day's low, it is at good level. Since this week, it keeps on falling. If today's low is broken, we can short till 5300, and our next target will be 5200. Bajaj Finserv. As Bajaj Finserv closed 1.6% below previous day's low, it showed that it can fall even more. Our previous target was hit at 11,000. Now we can expect a good move from here on. Tomorrow, if Bajaj Finance showed bearish move, we can take our position and hold it as BTST. We can expect some good fall for a couple of days.